Officially, Xiaomi has given a glimpse of its upcoming Xiaomi 15 series of devices through the release of these images. We can see that the Xiaomi 15, which will be the compact model, is going to have a screen size of 6.36 inches, according to Xiaomi's official information. In addition, with ultra-thin bezels of 1.38 millimeters completely symmetrical. Possibly that is one of the most attractive points of this device because it really looks with a great use of the front, where most of it is screen. Also in these images we can see that it will have slightly rounded metal frames on the edges, although straight in the central part. We reach to see the bands to help the connectivity of the antennas, and the camera module is completely square with rounded corners. Remember that this model would be more compact, so it would fit relatively easily in the hand. In fact, these images also show a hand holding this device, which is in purple, although more colors will surely be available. On the other hand, also the images of the Pro model reveal part of its design, in this case in green. We will find a thickness of 8.35 millimeters and will weigh 213 grams. It also has ultra-reduced bezels, although in this case they have not yet detailed the official information. And again, you get to see these rounded edges of the metal frame, and apparently the camera module is not going to protrude in such an exaggerated way as we had been seeing recently in several Chinese manufacturers. It looks like this will be a trend for the next wave of high-end devices. For now, it is only an official look at these devices, but their launch to know the rest of their features will be later, and I will tell you all about it when it happens.